Uh, hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video about smart money moves. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often mentioned but rarely explained properly. SIP. What is it? How does it work? And more importantly, is it something you should consider for your financial future? SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's a method of investing in mutual funds in a disciplined, regular way. In sum of money all at once, SIP lets you invest smaller amounts, like $50, $100, or even $10 at regular intervals. This could be weekly, monthly, or quarterly, without feeling a big pinch in your wallet. When you invest through SIP, your money buys units of a mutual fund scheme. And since you're investing regularly, you end up buying more units when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. This is called rupee cost averaging, or in US terms, dollar cost averaging. This strategy smooths out the impact of market volatility. You don't have to worry about timing the market. Instead, you're time in the market, consistently invested and letting your money grow. Plus, with the power of compound interest, your returns generate more returns over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small but gets bigger and bigger. Let's break down the key benefits of SIPs. Checkmark disciplined saving. It builds the habit of saving and investing consistently. Flexible amounts. You can start with as little as $10 to $50 a month. Affordable entry point. Great for beginners who don't have large lump sums to invest. No need to time the market. Reduces risk from market fluctuations. Compounding growth. Small amounts grow into big wealth over time. And here's the best part. SIPs are automatic. You set it up once, link your bank account, and it takes care of itself. You don't have to manually invest every month. Just like watering a plant regularly helps it grow, SIPs nourish your financial future, drop by drop, month after month. Now, SIPs are awesome, but not magic. Here are a few things to remember. SIPs don't guarantee profits. They're linked to the market, so there may be ups and downs. Patience is key. SIPs are most effective when held long-term, ideally 5 years or more. Choosing the right mutual fund is important. Always do your research or talk to a financial advisor before starting. Have clear goals, invest regularly, stay consistent, and review your SIPs at least once a year. So there you have it, the Systematic Investment Plan, or SIP, explained in simple terms. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below. Have you started your first SIP yet? Or planning to? Let's talk in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, invest smart, live better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.